Hey, what's going on? Hey. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm really loving this dog avatar. Dogs rule. Hey, you know they do. You know what I feel like doing? That's right. I feel like going out and walking my dog. Hey, Howlin' Eagles. How you guys doing today? I'm here again live. Well, no, I'm not. This isn't live. This is taped to be seen at a later time. I'm having a lot of fun here. Let's go ahead. This is going to be a short video. Yeah, right, Mr. Wara. That is what you always say. Actually, this one's going to be pretty short because we're going to do a lesson 28, part A and part B. What am I doing over here? I have no idea. Okay, trying to find a pen. So let's go ahead and get started here with this wonderful video. As you can see, this is kind of the culmination of everything we've been doing. Been building to this last three of the module. We're going to be solving division problems involving multi-digit division. Period. And it could be with decimals or not. Doesn't really. With group size unknown and number of groups unknown. Oh my goodness, it's like, it's all this stuff that's so unknown. What are we going to do? You know who you could call? You could call Underdog. Yeah. Yeah, you know, just because you're kind of figuring out that the theme of today's lesson is dogs. Yes. Oh, how fun this is. Anyway, let's get serious now. Mr. Wara. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our problem here. So we have, oh, Tatiana. Hey, you're famous. So it says that Tatiana is saving for a new computer that costs $1,264. It says that she has already saved half of the money. Now Tatiana earns $12 per hour. Wow, imagine that. She's rich. Anyway, how many hours must Tatiana work in order to save the rest of the money? Okay, so looking at this, you can see that I have a tape diagram set up here because I want to be able to try to visualize this problem. Is it going to move for me? Hardly, huh? It's kind of weird. This is all glitchy today. My little tablet won't give me my normal cursor that it gives me there, but anyway. So basically what we need to do here is we need to definitely need to do this. Okay, so first thing we could probably do is try to see if we couldn't, maybe we can reread the problem, getting a good understanding here. Tatiana is saving for a new computer that costs this amount. So you'd be thinking to yourself, okay, well, Mr. Wara, I think I understand that, and that's good. Not necessary to write all this down, but maybe you want to write it down because that's going to just help you understand it better. It says she's already saved half of the money. So already I'm kind of seeing this, by drawing this picture, what I see I can do is I can say, well, the tape diagram here is $1,264. Okay, and it says that she's already saved half. So I basically could then, let me just grab another color here for fun. I could already say that right there, there's my half. That she saved half the money. So this is the money saved. Okay, and when you think about it, we don't know what that money is yet. Okay, so we'll find that out. What's the half of the money that she saved? But we do know that this here is going to be, well, how many, and if you want to think of it this way, how many $12 per hour before she can get the rest of the money that she needs to, so I'm going to kind of put an S there, like how many more $12 an hour? Because $12 an hour and then another hour would be $24. Well, we need to figure out a couple things here. First, we need to know what the half is that she saved. Once we figure out what that half is, we'll know that the other half is going to be the same. Okay, so hopefully you're following along with me on all of this, I hope. Let me see if I can group this all together here. Can I? I hope. Group, be kind. Be kind. Thank you. Very good. So we're just kind of move it over there, make it a little bit easier. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me go ahead and get a pen. Hey, just practicing my dog call there. So now we have our 1,264, and we need to divide that by 2. Now, you don't see a 2 in this problem here, but this is where that sense of understanding words and how that's related to math comes into play here. See, by getting half, I know I need to divide that number by 2. Well, 2 goes into 12 really nice, huh? 6 times, leaving us nothing here, 0. We bring down our 6. Ooh, that's nice too. 3. Well, this is just too easy. And then I bring down my 4. Oh my goodness. Does it get any easier than that? So basically, whoa, where are you going, 6? Hey, I didn't give you permission to be taken off like that. See, my numbers are rebelling against me now. Come on, hey, and the 2. He's doing it too. Come on, go back over. Stay, thank you. And now you get to be the big guy in the block. Okay, you get the idea. I hope this pen lasts. Okay, so now you can see we figured out half. So half is going to be right here, $632. And here the other half has to be the same. Okay, so now we're just kind of figuring out how many of these $12 an hour do we need in order to, so that Tatiana can save up, earn the rest of the money so she can buy her computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and put, we need to, my mind was like 632, because we're going to be dividing that by 12. All right. Well, 6 you can't divide by 12, so we have to regroup. So rather than 600 we're going to go into 63 tens. And of course, 63 tens, we can spread that around. That's actually going to go in there 5 times. I happen to know that 12 times 5 is 60. Kind of nice. We subtract, we get 3. Now, we get, we bring down our 2. Okay. And as you can see here, it looks like that. Is that going to go in there nicely? No, 12, 24, 36. It's not going to go in exactly. Not going to go in exactly, but let's just see about. You're going to go in there 2 times. And then we're going to put our 24, because 12 times 2. Let's subtract, regroup. Now I end up with 8. Okay, now I have a decimal. And by the way, you do these. You're going to get problems like this in your book, but they're going to be a little bit easier to deal with. Now I know that's not going to go in there exactly right, so I'm going to go ahead and say, well, was that like 7 times is going to give me 84, so it's going to be 6 times for 72. So I'm going to put 6. Okay, now in this particular problem, I'm just going to let you know, I'm going to stop here at this point because you can see what's going to happen. If I keep putting a 0 down here, I'm going to keep putting 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and I'm going to keep on going. So what this represents, though, is it represents she's going to have to work 52 hours, and if this was 5, it would be 0.5. So she'd actually have to work 52 and about, I'm saying about a half hours, 52 and a half hours to be able to pay for the other part of that computer. Wow, pretty pricey, huh? That's a lot of hours. Probably take her, well, I don't know, if she's working 15 hours a week, she could probably do that pretty quickly. Okay, sounds like fun. Time to ready to move on to the next problem. Let's go ahead and ding. Okay, there we go. Now, oh my goodness, how Sam's in this problem. Nice. And of course, we go to here, we have doggy! Yes, we have some more dogs in the problem. My goodness, let's count, boys and girls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, nice. You know, I'm gonna let you guys hang out here. I'm gonna just get rid of this. You guys are too cool. Let's move you right over here near the problem. I'll let you watch. Okay, now I'll get my pen. It says here Sam has a collection of 1,332 Pokemon cards. He hopes to sell the collection in packs of 36 cards and make, wow, $693.75 when all the packs are sold. Okay. If each pack is priced the same, how much should Sam charge per pack? Okay, here we get another word problem. We're looking at it and thinking, all right, what do I need to do here? I mean, it looks like that this is kind of like my total here, and with that 1,332. Okay, and so maybe I'm wanting to, it says he's going to sell them packs of 36. Okay, again, just kind of repeating the problem. Okay, so maybe what we need to do here first is figure out how many packs, right? Because if he has this collection of that many cards and he wants to put them in collection packs of 36, and he wants to make that amount of money when the packs are sold. Well, we're saying if all the packs are priced at the same, how much does Sam charge per pack? So basically what we need to know is how many packs does he have first. So let's go ahead and get our tape diagram. Come on down and let's do that. Woo! Yeah, nice and big. I don't know why I did that, but it's already there. So basically, you know, we could kind of think of this entire thing here, just like we did with the other problem, as how many Pokemon cards. And here he has 1,332. Okay? And then what we do know is that he's going to be putting them in little packs here. Okay? So this is going to be divided into packs. And it's going to kind of keep going. But our question is, basically, how many then? Did I lose my pen? Looks like I did. Come on, pen, where'd you go? Oh, wow, this is like really acting weird now. Okay. Hang in there. All right, here we go. We got it back. So, basically, we want to know is how many, okay, how many, it's weird seeing the cursor, okay, how many 36s are we going to have? Because that's what we have here. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So we're going to go ahead and let's divide this by 36. Now looking at this, 3 goes into 13, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, like about 4 times. I'm going to try 4. I'm going to do that over here. You're the doggies! You! Hey, guy. All right, so, and we're going to get that 4, okay, 2, 12. Looks like 144, a little bit too big. So we're going to have to drop off by 1. So 36 times 3, 18, ooh, 9, 10, 108. Okay. And then we'll subtract. This guy needs help. Yes, he does. 5 and then 2. We have 25, and we did that 3 times. Put that above that 3. Okay. Yes, that's good. That's smaller, the remainder. Then the divides, and now we can try it again. 3 into 25. 9's too much. About 8. I'm going to try 7 just because last time it was an issue. So try 7. 2. Carry the 421. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Oh, I lost my cursor again. Isn't that weird? Oh, I'm writing blind. I can't see. Oh, there you are. Okay. And there you go. And that went in there 7 times. So 37 packs is how many he's going to have. Now, he says 93. And 75 cents is what he wants to make. And we're going to divide that by the 37 packs. So we can figure out how much it's going to cost per pack. Okay? So as you can see, 6 can't divide the 37. 69 can. 37 twice, though. 14, 6, that's going to be too large. So the 37 will go 69 one time. Okay, let's see. Let's subtract that and see what we get. We get 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 32. It is less than 37, so that's a good sign. So let's go ahead. Now we can bring our 3 down and then determine. Now, how many times will 37 go into 323? I don't know. Let's try. It looks like 3 into 32. Well, that'll go in there like 10 times. Let's actually try 9. So 30, let me see here. 37, let's do times 9, is equal to 63. Carry the 3, 27. Looks like 333, a little bit too large, so we'll back off by 1, 6, 5, 24, and then we have 29. 296 will work. 296, we're going to subtract. We need to regroup like big time. The 12 is going to change to 11 because he needs one too. What's a 7? And that's 2. 27. We did that 8 times. I put the 18. So far we know that he's going to have to charge $18 and some change here. Now 27 is less, so I can bring my 7 down. How many times will 3 go into 27? 9 times. Well, we know it's not 9 because we did this one here. 8 was 296, so we're going to have to go 7 times. So I'm going to choose 7, but then I'm going to figure out what it is. And that is 9, 4, 21. And, oh, I lost my, there we are again. 21, 25, 259, 259. Okay, So I'm running out of room here, so I'm going to have to move this down. Come on down. Thank you. So 259. And, oh, look, I need to regroup here. So with a 6, that's 1. And that will give that 8. 18. We have a 5. We bring our 5 down. 3 and 18 6 times. Could we be so lucky? We have a lot of numbers here we can use now. 8. Nope. 7. Could be 6. Maybe. Probably going to maybe be 5. Let's see. 2, 4, 18. That's 2, 22. Yeah, we're going to have to do... Oh, I can't see my cursor. 37 and 5, 5, 3, 15, 185. Oh, it's exactly right. All right. So that was 5. I multiplied, by the way. That would have been 185, and that gets rid of this here. Okay? Very sloppy, but I was just finishing up that last little section there. So as you can see, this here was a 2-step problem. My goodness, yes, we had, hi doggies. And so, you know, you have to, we had a 2-step. We had to figure out how many cards in a pack, and then we took out the amount of money divided by the number of packs that we had. So, Sam, that's right, Sam, you'll need to sell each pack for $18.75. And, my friends, that concludes this wonderful video in Dogland. I mean, Math Video Land. Adios.